Hello mga Archipips, mabuhay! Kamusta ang mga Archipips all over the world? Ayan, so mukhang hyper at energetic tayong lahat. Alam nyo ba mga Archipips, another exciting vlog na naman to kasi i-feature natin ang College of Architecture dito sa National University na matatagpuan sa SM Fairview Complex sa Quezon City. At ako ang inyong mga kasama, ang inyong poging arkitekto pero hindi perfecto, Louie Vito. And of course, I want you to like, share, and subscribe ang ating channel and hit the notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga video contents all about art, design, and architecture. And even architecture school ay kino-content natin dito sa ating channel. Okay, so mga Archipips, kung ready na kayo, samahan nyo ako and let's visit the home of the Bulldogs. Dito yan sa National University Fairview Campus. Let's go!
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Hi, I'm architect Aurora Panopio. Welcome to the BS Architecture program of NU Fairview.
Like nothing I've
you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Hello, Archipeeps! Nandito nga tayo ngayon sa NU Fairview Campus kung saan matatagpuan ang isa sa pinakabagong campus ng National University na naitayo noong taong 2019 dito sa northern part ng Quezon City, Metro Manila. And good news mga Archipeeps dahil ang NU Fairview Campus offers different course programs na tiyak na swak sa interest nyo to pursue your studies. And of course, as we all celebrate the world of architecture, may pagmamalaki natin na ang NU is one of the major universities that offers best architecture program. Kaya tara, samahan nyo ko at silipin at libutin ang NU Fairview Campus. Okay mga Archipeeps, tara pasukin natin yung lobby ng NU Fairview. Let's go! Ang NU Fairview Campus ay matatagpuan sa SM Fairview Complex sa Quezon City. At pagpasok sa NU Fairview Campus, makikita ang entrance lobby. And watch out mga Archipeeps, dito kasi sa main lobby, ramdam na agad ang feel of good environment sa pagkakadesign nito at ang kagandahan ng security system. Dahil bago ka pumasok, they make sure na safe ang buong campus, pati na din ang pagsunod ng safety and health protocols para mapanatiling protected ang nationalians, especially sa mga coming visitors na pumupunta sa mismong campus. As we walk through the entrance lobby, ang masasabi ko ay ang ganda ng ambience. Meron ding specific toilet sa lobby na ito na available for all, especially sa mga PWDs. Kaya I'm sure na convenient ito para sa lahat ng nationalians. At kung tatanungin nyo ako mga Archipeeps, sobrang ganda ng NU Fairview Campus dahil sa entrance lobby pa lang, pakikita ang pagiging high standard ng buong facilities. At ito pa mga Archipeeps, alam nyo ba na dito sa NU Fairview ay may 4 na elevator, kaya yung mga nagmamadali dyan at laging nalilate, ito ang ating solusyon para sa inyo. Tara! Okay mga Archipeeps, nandito tayo ngayon sa first floor ng NU Fairview. Tara, silipin natin kung anong merong facilities dito sa lugar. First on the list, ang first floor. Dito makikita ang canteen na pwede sa lahat ng nationalians and visitors. Malinis, madaming choices ng food, at maganda ang view dahil tanaw dito ang roof deck na may garden and open spaces na pwedeng tambayan. Sa first floor ng NU Fairview din matatagpuan ang Registrar and Accounting Office for academic inquiries as well as document compliance and other matters. Bukod dyan, nandito din ang kanilang main library at sa loob nito ay may mga function rooms na pwedeng mag-hold ng important seminars and events. From the first floor, let's go visit the second floor ng NU Fairview Campus. Okay mga Archipeeps, nandito tayo ngayon sa second floor at sisilipin natin ang facilities dito. Tara! Dito kasi matatagpuan ang Psych Club for NU Psychology students and other laboratories like Hydraulics, Zoology, and Geotech Club. Sa paglilibot ko sa floor na ito, masasabi ko na napaka-neat ng environment at tahimik. I am sure na sobrang gaganahan ang mga NU students na gamitin ang classroom and other facilities dito. Okay mga Archipeeps, nandito naman tayo sa third floor at sisilipin natin ang mga facilities dito. Tara, samahan niyo ko! Sa floor na ito makikita ang guidance office at meron ding specific prayer room kung saan pwede kang magkaroon ng intimate moment with God. Sa third floor din matatagpuan ang mga classrooms, drawing lab and rooms, boardroom, na tiyak na sobrang useful para sa ating mga archipeeps, especially ang ating mga architecture students. Other than that, nandito din sa third floor ang faculty room for our academic professionals. Good thing about the faculty room, merong kanya-kanyang designated desk and spaces for everyone. At bukod dyan, nandito din sa floor na ito ang HR office and student affairs office. Also, take note, archipeeps, if you're looking for quiet area to pray, dito rin matatagpuan ang San Lorenzo Ruiz Chapel. So far, third floor is my favorite spot inside the NU Fairview campus. Ngayon naman mga archipeeps, nandito tayo ngayon sa 4th floor at sisilipin natin ano kayang mga facilities ang meron dito. Tara, samahan nyo. Dito matatagpuan ang modernized facilities like computer lab, circuit lab, and general physics lab. Nandito din ang AVR room na sobrang useful para sa lahat. At ang kagandahan sa NU Fairview campus facilities, not only it's advanced and modernized, dahil may kanya-kanyang specific lab exclusively for different course program. Okay mga archipeeps, nandito tayo ngayon sa 5th floor at alam nyo ba, dito sa 5th floor ng NU campus ay merong NU Bar and Cafe. Diba nakakatuwa naman? At silipin din natin ang iba pang facilities meron dito. So tara, samahan nyo ko! At nandito na tayo sa last floor at ito ang 5th floor. Dito matatagpuan ang HRM facilities katulad ng bar, cafe, and restaurant na ginagamit ng mga NU HRM students. Sobrang ganda at napaka-useful nito para sa ating nationalians dahil complete ang facilities for cooking, baking, and demo, pati pag-serve kompleto. At dito din makikita ang demo kitchen, hot kitchen, and baking kitchen na kung saan pwedeng magluto at mag-prepare ng food to simulate the HRM experience. Aside from that, meron din sariling executive suite ang NU Fairview campus na sobrang ganda at fully furnished. At meron ding sariling laundry room and front office for travel counter. Okay mga archipeeps, mag-end na yung vlog natin. So nakita natin sa nakaraang video, di ba, na ang ganda ng facility dito sa National University Fairview Campus. So for me personally, alam ko na mag-enjoy ang mga estudyante pag nakita nyo at magamit nyo ang mga facilities na yan. And shout out pala sa mga NU architecture students kasi magkikita na tayo soon sa ating limited face-to-face session. Okay, dahil dito sa Cheers for Architecture YouTube channel, we celebrate art, design, and architecture, pati school ng mga architects sineselebrate natin dito sa ating channel because we believe that architecture is for all, di ba? Okay, so with that, cheers for National University Fairview Campus, and
Cheers for architecture!